Ford Consul Capri. What year is this? 63. It's been built by that gentleman there with a big beard, Mr. Wacky Racer. It's got a 4.6 litre V8. 4 litre Rover V8 motor. The paint job is what I can't get over. The paint job. It took him 7 years to build, and it's got all the deletions inside. Basically, there's no gauge visible. I think they either pop up or they reflect on the windscreen. Has this got a wild cam in it?
Yeah, it's semi-wild, yeah. Yeah, it looks a little bit.
Too much sunlight. Wacky, I'm seriously impressed with the paint job, mate, especially since it's black.
It needs a good polish now. We're just ironing out the last few little problems on it, bit of a shakedown. It was built last year, but we're locked down. We hadn't a chance to do anything with it, so just doing teething problems. I got a bit of an airlock issue on the water system, so I've modified that today. Got a misfire. I've just been out trying to sort that out. A few little bits and bobs, just a few little bits of trim that just need clipping on a bit better, because we've tried to use modern trims and modern seals,
Yeah,
just to help it stop the water. Can I give it a quick? Yeah, indeed.
Naughty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all been.
Oh, look at that, dude.
Oh, have you felt there it shuts though? You don't even know it's shut. Press it down. Yeah, it's all been done all the way through. Everything's hidden.
Everything's hidden. Oh, you've built those things.
Yeah, I chopped it to get it under
to take the wheels.
And the tyres,
Yeah, I love it, man. I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
The work that's gone in this car is.
Shut the boot.
Yeah.
Show me what it's like.
Yeah, that's cool, man. It's like a magnet.
Yeah.
So this is a 1963 Ford Consul Capri.
Yeah, Consul Capri. Yeah.
Made in England between 62 and 60.
Yeah, Dagenham, I think it was.
62 and 64.
Yeah.
Okay, and it originally had like what, a 2 litre engine in it or something?
No, 1500.
1500. Would
Yeah.
you mind just quickly showing us the bonnet once again? The engine once again. Guys, he spent like, he did a special order with ARP, the fastener company, and he spent thousands of pounds just on the fasteners.
ARP sponsored.
ARP sponsored it?
Yeah,
okay.
ARP sponsored it.
I mean, if you look at the engine bay, everything is ARP. Look at these bolts here, for example. They're all by ARP. This is an English Rover 4 litre jobby.
Yeah, it's all Range Rover 4 litre Range Rover engine.
And it's pretty standard internally, right?
Yeah, bit of triangle valve job on it.
Okay, yeah.
A cam.
Yeah.
That's about it, really.
Yeah.
It's got to be. He just wanted reliable, usable car.
It looks a bit like a Darth Vader motor when I look at it.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
And it's like what the butler for Batman used to drive.
Yeah.
What class about it?
Yep. And also he's modified the way the car looks.
Yeah. The bonnet and all this has been changed. Originally the indicators are here. There's an indicator pod with an indicator which never looked right.
Right.
So that's the rear corners off a back bumper grafted onto the front. But all the angles are totally different when I put it up.
These are rear corners off what?
They're rear corners off a back bumper.
A back bumper,
Yeah,
and you
I put them
modified
back
them.
onto the front, yeah. And then things have all been
Guys,
extended.
check out Wacky Racer. This is Wacky Racer. You're a bit on the. You've got a few things on YouTube because you took part in some contests in America.
Yeah, I've done Drag Week, which is like a big drag meet in America where you drive to 5 drag strips over 5 days, and then you race in between. So like
it's an endurance race. You and your partner, your missus, went to great expense. This guy is got petrol running through his veins. But have a look at Wacky Racer. What's your Mick? What Mick?
Just everybody calls me Wacky Mick.
Wacky Mick on YouTube or Google, and you'll see he's got a 500 horsepower Vauxhall van of the 60s. It's got a turbocharged engine. He's very good with nitrous oxide, turbochargers, and as you can see, the bodywork as well.
Steaming up the exhaust manifold a little bit, I think.
All right, man. Wacky, can you?
Bit of oil just running down off the rock. That's what I'm doing. I'm working my way through teething problems.
Okay, Wag. Yep. Will we be able to see you drive off in it, man, just so we can hear the grunt?
Yeah, can do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'll put the kettle on.
Do you want a rag? I'm working my way through my teething problems.
He's making it more reliable. Right, guys, whilst you're watching this video, thank you very much, all of you, for buying a few tickets for the Dudestock. So far, we've got 15 of you coming, and that's really nice. So the Dudestock's on, full stop. There's another 25 tickets for anyone else that wants to come and join us on Saturday, 26th of June, this month. Probably last Saturday of June, basically, here at Rusty Love headquarters. And we're going to have a barbecue, live music by the Carousels, which is a band that Gav plays drums in. So the Carousels are going to sort of set up somewhere here. I'll show you the poster. Got a poster there. And they're going to be playing music, and I'm going to be doing the barbecue. So that's the Dudestock info. And let me just turn that thing off. The other things, guys, we've put the engine in the Pop. This is the 1955 Ford Popular, and we've rebuilt this Ford V6 engine for it. I've rebuilt it, so not guaranteed it's going to start or work, but we're going to have a crack, live stream this probably this Friday. Hang on a minute. Gav, when are we doing the live stream?
What day?
Friday or Saturday?
Whenever you want, man.
Well, I don't know. Well, let's say this. We'll do it this. What day is it today? It's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, we'll do it Saturday, guys. This Saturday. What is it? It's the 1st of June today. So that will be. What is it? It's 1st of June. Is it? Yeah, 1st of June. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. I think it's Saturday, 5th of June. We'll do a live engine start. Live stream engine start. So, Ali, you need to put it in your calendar. And anyone else that fancies joining us on Saturday, midday, 12 o'clock UK time, we'll do a live stream. Our live streams generally last between 1.5 to 4 hours. And they just consist of us having a go at starting an engine. It's a genuine first engine start attempt. So put it in your diary, guys, but be prepared that the engine might not work. All right, so join us on the Saturday the 12th. No, Saturday the 5th at 12 o'clock on Rusty Love YouTube channel here. And me, Gav, and don't know who else was going to be here. We're going to have a go at this. So it's just we've got, what have we got? Just a standard 3-litre Ford V6 engine. We've basically made it out of lots of different spare parts we had. And yeah. So we're going to do it Saturday, 12 o'clock noon. I think it's June the 5th. And that's it, really. Anything else to say, Gav? I've told them about Dudestock, and we've got another 25 tickets left to go. We've got 15 people coming. And is your mum one of the people that bought the tickets?
No.
No, there is. No, it's not mine either. Anyway, that's it. And I'll just show you the. What else have we got to show you?
Show them the bench.
Yeah, there you go. Great bench. Yeah. Oh, our alternator that needs to go on the motor. We've done that engine. We built this old Ford. I think some of you might have seen a short video we did. It's basically Kate's engine going into Kate, and there might be a bit of work being doing on Kate, 1969 Ford Capri. And we're gonna have another crack at this, see if we can repair things like that. And that's it. So just a short update, guys. I just thought I'd switch the camera on now that Wacky bought this beautiful V8, and we're announcing that we're going to do a live stream engine start this Saturday. said it 100 times. I hope you're all well. Hope you're all enjoying this beautiful weather we've got here in the UK. Yeah, so we look forward to seeing some of you at the Dudestock and meeting you, and you probably will know us better than we know some of you. Some of you are going to turn up, and we're not going to know who you are until you say your username at YouTube, and they will know who it is. So we look forward to all of that. And the food, I'm going to be cooking some food on the barbecue, and Gav's going to have the music, and that's pretty much it, just a bit of chit chat. So log in this Saturday, guys, on here, this channel, and 12 o'clock we'll do a live stream, and then we'll see some of you on the 26th of June for Dudestock. I'm going to stop talking now. See you later. Thank you. Oh, do you mind driving that black beast off, mate? No worries. Sorry to push you, man. I want to capture this. Yeah, I'm going to make him a brew. He's going to go around the block and then he's going to come back again.
I'm driving off and then coming back again.
Yeah.
Can't do any wheel spins.
No wheel spins.
The paintwork.
No wheel spins.
My missus will cut my man bits off if I start doing wheel spins.
Spot on. He's going to come round. We're going to put a cup of tea and some biscuits on. Cheers for watching, guys. See you on Saturday. Bye.